Today we're going to continue our ongoing series regarding the ins and outs of buying auto insurance in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Today's topic, comprehensive and collision coverage. Now, you've probably heard of these two coverages and you probably understand that they are the coverages that protect your vehicle in the event that you're in an accident. Comprehensive coverage is for things that occur that aren't necessarily a car versus car auto accident. That could be a tree falls on your car, or maybe you run over something in the roadway. Collision is just that. It is a collision. It is two vehicles striking each other. You do have typically deductibles for this coverage. It is up to you how much you want that deductible to be. The lower the deductible, the more the coverage costs. On average, most people have $500 deductibles. At Arm Lawyers, we're always willing to take a look at your declaration page to make sure that you've purchased the proper insurance to protect your interests. Call us. Thank you.